Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all, this is T.G.I.F. fish segment of the week. And see by the preview picture and the title, we're going to do some old school. It's not really old school, but it's very good. Pecan crusted snapper. I got some beautiful snapper here, y'all. My butcher cut for me. Look at this. And I'm going to take the skin off here in just a second. And I'm going to cut it in fingers. It's going to be almond crusted snapper fingers. I'm going to take it, I'm going to just cut them in little fingers. I'm going to bread them in, I'm going to do it in flour, egg, pure egg yolks. I mean, whipped eggs. And I'm going to coat them in a panko pecan crusted coating, fried. I'm telling y'all, this stuff is absolutely amazing. So anyway, y'all, let me step off, get the fish all prepped up, eggs cracked, my breading station set up. And we're going to get this thing, it's so simple, so easy, and it's so good. So we'll be right back. T.G.I.F. fish segment of the week. Just getting started. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back here. Okay, let me mix my egg up in here. I got about 3 eggs in here. This is going to be my egg wash. This is going to be the glue to make the breadcrumbs and the pecans stick to the fish. I love this stuff, y'all. Eat it with some remoulade, fry them off real quick. I love it. So I got that all mixed up. Now, what I got here, I got some all-purpose flour. What I'm gonna do here, y'all have my camera in today. This is day off, so I'm working alone. No Dylan today. He'll be back in there tomorrow. In the next couple of videos, he'll be here. So, if y'all wondering why I'm here working solo, got me spoiled here. I'm used to somebody to talk to now while I'm cooking. Even though I do have people here, but he actually will interact with me. A lot of my team won't. So, and I'm gonna have Tyrone in here. He's an excellent chef. He's been a chef for many, many years. And later on, y'all, he's gonna be doing some videos with me. And Tyrone is a character, y'all. I'm telling you, he is a character that think I'm funny. He is a character. Okay. All right, y'all. I'm seasoning my flour and my fish, as you can see. I want to make sure this stuff is really, really seasoned good. I got some cabbages in there, and I got some, I'm doing my 3 favorite seasoning. I'm only seasoning one side of this fish, y'all. It really don't matter because it's going into this flour here, too. So it don't matter. So I mix this up in here. Get this all mixed up. All right, let me cut my fire on over here and let it going on. I'm gonna do my wok. I was gonna break out my deep fry, but I say, why do that? It don't make sense doing that, right? Okay, now I got my flour here. I got my egg wash here. Now I got some Japanese breadcrumbs in here, AKA panko. And I got some finely grated chopped pecans. I'm gonna put that in there, mix it up together. See that? Look at that, y'all. That's gonna give me my pecan crust right there. Pecans and the panko, mix them together. You can do almonds like this. You can do macadamia nuts. Whatever you want to do. This is good for chicken. Good for other than fish. It's good for chicken. Also, so I got this together. Now what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do flour, egg, breadcrumbs. I'm gonna put my flour in put my fish in the flour. Make sure you coat it on both sides. Make sure y'all can see this. Dust that off. This flour is so fresh, y'all. I gotta make sure I know how to, make sure I'm careful how I handle it. Okay, put my, see that? Another one here. And I'm gonna step off, y'all, and get them all breaded up here. See that? Look at that. Look at that crust on there. So the egg is what makes it stick. It's like the glue. It's that nice glue that make them stick. You just lay them right there on the plate, right there. Do one more here, and I'm gonna step off here and do this and get it all cleaned up. And then I'll be back and we're gonna fry these off, y'all. I call them fingers. Supposed to be fingers, but like I say, the snapper's so fresh right now that I bought today that the freshness of it is amazing. I guess they just caught it and brought it in at my neighborhood HEB, y'all. All right, get that all coated up. Throw this in here. I'm gonna handle this a little bit differently, y'all, because it's very, very fragile. This in the like I say, y'all, this is almond crusted is good too. You want to put almonds in it, it's amazing. But I got some awesome recipes and videos coming up, y'all, in the next couple of days and upcoming week. I got eggplant parmesan coming. I got my stuffed skillet cornbread. I got butter beans and hemp hocks. I got let's see, one more. I got regular vanilla pound cake coming up, y'all. So I got a lot of stuff coming up. Like I said, I got a cameraman here. He gonna be fat. Him and his family gonna be fat. I told him before he leave here. Tyrone already fat. He need to lose some weight. He'll tell you that himself. But anyway, y'all, I'll be right back. I'm gonna clean up and we're gonna fry this off. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we are back here. Okay, I got my fish here, y'all. We're gonna just put it right here in the grease, y'all. Right here in the grease. You don't want to overcrowd it. And you know, snapper don't take long. Fish don't take long at all to cook. So, like I say, and what I do sometime, y'all, I see it browning too quick. So you see how it's browning quick? I'll take it off, take it out, and I'll finish it in the oven. So usually that first batch you put in there, the grease is so hot that it'll get a little brown on you quick. So what I'll do, I'll take it out and put it on a sheet pan with a rack and finish it in the oven. That's what I'm gonna do with this one here, y'all. That's exactly what I'm gonna do with this one. We're gonna put in the oven about 1 minute, about 5-10 minutes. You know, it don't take long. Okay, let's get this in there. This one in there. Like I say, it's just a different way and an awesome way, y'all, to cook fish. And the fish come out so nice and presentable, y'all. Absolutely amazing. Like I say, you can do any kind of fish like this. You can do flounder, redfish, of course, snapper, of course. Yeah, you just turn it over there. You don't want it to get too dark on you. Like I said, y'all, we'll just take this and put it in the oven. Put it in my oven here about 10 minutes. We'll come back. And I love eating this with remoulade sauce, y'all. I absolutely love remoulade. You can use cocktail sauce, even lemon butter. Okay. All right, y'all. Let me show you how this looks, and I'm gonna put it in the oven. See this? See how pretty that is? It's gonna be nice and crispy. We're gonna put it in the oven about. It ain't gonna take but maybe 5 or 6 minutes at 350 degrees, but the fish don't take long, especially these fresh snappers, fresh as it is, it don't take long at all. So we'll be back here once I got it ready and plated up, and we're gonna try this out. We'll be right back. T.G.I.F fish segment of the week, almost finished. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we are back. Fish is ready. Check this out. Look at that there. And I did it in the appetizer style. Y'all do not have to cut it in fingers. You can just use the whole fillet. And I got my remoulade here. And I don't make my remoulade, y'all. I buy my remoulade. This is remoulade I use. The Louisiana remoulade sauce. I love this stuff on fish. It's absolutely amazing. Okay, y'all. Let's try this fish here out. Let me show you how moist this snapper is. Look at this. See that? How flaky and moist that is inside? Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Okay. Dip it in that remoulade. Oh my God, y'all. What's the snapper fresh? And the pecans. Look at this, y'all. With a remoulade on there like that. Not about him. Look how flaky that snapper is. Perfectly cooked. Like I said, I did what? 2 minutes in the skillet, 5 minutes in the oven, 7 minutes. Look at this bite right here, y'all. Wow. So good. So easy. And simple. Let me finish this last bite off on camera, and then I'm gonna devour this off camera. One more bite, look at that. Oh no. Something to drink. Y'all sit tight. Well, anyway, y'all. Wow, it's good. It's hot, that's what I do. We put some hot sauce on it too. All right. But when y'all buy the pecans, make sure you get the small pieces, not the big hunks. You can get the pecan small pieces over there, you know, where the bake shop, not bake shop, the baking aisle where the sugar and the sugar and the flour and stuff, you know, the chocolate chips and all that, where they got the nuts at, you get it right there, y'all. And get the fine grind. I think they called cookie pecans. The one you use to make cookies, y'all. You want to use that one. That's the one I use. So, yeah. And some Japanese breadcrumbs, very simple. You can use it for chicken. You can use it for any kind of fish. I like almond crusted and pecan crusted chicken fingers with some ranch dressing. That's awesome. So anyway, y'all, like I say, I'm riding solo here. Cameraman will be back tomorrow video. I think, what's tomorrow? Oh, tomorrow is the cake of the week. We're doing a regular plain pound cake, y'all, vanilla pound cake. Because I got to give my neighbor some. She's kind of diabetic, so I'm doing it for her. Then we're going to have butter beans and ham hocks coming up. I got some cornbread I told y'all I'm going to show y'all. And got that corn in the middle with the cheddar cheese in the middle. Oh my God, that's good with some butter beans. Now I got an eggplant parmesan coming up. Let's see here. I got some oatmeal muffins coming up for Big Country Breakfast of the Week. So yeah, I got a lot of stuff coming up. Get people working around here. So anyway, y'all, let me close this video. If you like the video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022, helping others with a purpose. Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Y'all have a happy, blessed weekend. Love y'all. Bye.